Odoo Employees Module. What we cover: creating department, creating contract, creating employee. Steps: creating department. Navigate to Employees app, Departments, then click New in the top left to reveal a blank department form. Department name. Enter a name for the department. Manager. Using the drop-down menu, select the department manager. Parent department. Select the parent department using the drop-down menu. Company. Select using the drop-down menu, if using multiple company. Color. Select a color for the department. After completing the form, click the Cloud Upload icon to save. Creating contract. Navigate to Employees app, Employee, Contracts. Contracts. Contact reference. Type the name or title of the contract. Employee. Using the drop-down menu, select the employee contract. Start date. Select a date. This field is mandatory. Contract end date. Select a date. Working schedule. Select a working schedule from the drop-down menu. This field is required. Work entry source. Click the radio button next to the desired selection. The options are: working schedule. Work entries are generated based on the selected working schedule. Attendances. Work entries are generated based on the employee's check-in records in the attendances application. This requires the attendances application. Planning. Work entries are generated based on the planned schedule for the employee from the planning application. This requires the planning application. Salary structure type. Select one of the salary structure types from the drop-down menu. The default salary structure types are employee or worker. Department. Select the department. Job position. Select the specific job position and wage on payroll. Enter the employee's monthly wage. Contract type. Choose contract type. In Contract Details tab, Contract Template. Select a pre-existing contract template HR responsible. Select the person who is responsible for validating the contract. Click Save. Creating employee. Open the Employees app, then click the New button. Employee's name. Enter the employee name. Job position. Enter the employee job title under their name, or select it from the Job Position field drop-down menu. Tags. Select or create a tag. Work contact information. Enter the employee work mobile, work phone, work email, and/or company name. Department. Select the employee department from the drop-down menu. Manager. Select the employee manager from the drop-down menu. Coach. Select the employee coach from the drop-down menu. In the Resume tab, click Create a new entry. Title. Type in the title of the previous work experience. Employee. Select the employee from the drop-down menu. Type. From the drop-down menu, select either Experience, Education, Side, Display. Type. From the drop-down menu, choose Classic for typical work experience, Certification for experience gained through a certification, or Course for non-certified classes. Duration. Enter the start and end dates for the work experience. Description. Enter any relevant details in this field. Skills. Click the Pick a Skill from the List button. Skill type. Select a skill type by clicking the radio button. Skill. After selecting a skill type, the corresponding skills associated with that selected skill type appear in a drop-down menu. Skill level. Predefined skill levels associated with the selected skill type appear in a drop-down menu. Click the Save and Close button if there is only one skill to add, or click the Save and New button to save the current entry and immediately add another skill. Work Information tab. Location. Select the work address from the drop-down menu. Here, Organization chart shows the employee position. Private Information tab. Private Contact. Enter the private address, email, and phone for the employee. Then, enter the employee bank account number. Select the employee's preferred language from the drop-down menu. Then enter the homework distance in the field Family Status. Select the current marital status using the drop-down menu. Emergency. Type in the contact name and contact phone number. Education. Select the highest level of education completed by the employee. Click and save.